We're in Outlook web app, and it also works on Office 365. I'm going to show you how to add a picture of yourself into your email. So when you send an email, it actually shows up with that picture as well. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see this no face type of a icon there. Click on that and choose Change. And from here, we'll click on Upload Photo. So now you need to find a picture of yourself, or you can download a picture. So if you don't want to use a picture of yourself, you could also take a picture of your dog and use that. Okay, see it's uploading, super cute. Click Save. And now we see that picture in the upper right-hand corner. So let's say we create a new email and we send to the administrator. And we can see the picture shows up there. And let's just put in test. And we'll click Send. Now I've got the administrator open in a different web browser, so I can double click on that. And now it shows the picture that I had uploaded into my Outlook web app. So that's how you add a picture of yourself or anything you want in Outlook web app 2019 as well as Office 365.